In this video, we're going to go over how to set up an order on Lightspeed Trader. So when you have Lightspeed Trader open, obviously the first two things that you can do are doing hotkeys or doing a hot button. But the next option is the order entry. The order entry will follow whatever level 2 you have it linked to. So first we have the symbol, the amount of shares we want, the price that we are going to be sending the order at. And this price can be changed manually by typing it in, or you can click on inside bid and it will match that. Inside ask, it'll match that. Or if you want, you can come up here to the level 2 and copy any order that's up here. And this includes the price and the ECN. So if I choose this ARCA 123, now it changed to ARCA 123.35, copying that order that's in the level 2. Here I can choose what type of order I want. So here are some of the options that it has. If I choose a stop limit, it will give us the extra option right here to put in our stop and then to put in our limit. I'm going to change this back to a limit order, and this visible is what is visible here on level 2 to other traders. So if I have it at 0, I can hide my orders so no one sees that I have 400 sitting there waiting to be bought or sold. The TIF is how long your order will stay open. So you can have it just for a few seconds to an hour or just day. I always just leave mine on day, and then I can cancel them if I don't want those orders live anymore. And then in order to short, I just hit sell, or to buy, I just hit buy. And when you hit these buttons, it will follow this price and use these shares, not what is up here in the tier, and not whatever is on your hotkey. Your hotkey will be separate from the order entry. So if I have this at 900 and use a hotkey, it's going to be doing 900 when I hit enter. And then if I change this to a 500 shares here, you'll notice it doesn't change the tier. So when I hit buy now, it's going to do 500. It's not going to match the tier. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.